Hi. How are you doing? I'm good. Okay. You're welcome. Thank you. So I came to see my brother. You see? No. You didn't tell me. Okay. Maybe it's coming up. Maybe. Yeah, let's see. So I wanted to see my brother because I want to talk to him about something. Okay. Maybe he will come today or maybe tomorrow. I don't know, but I'm not sure. Okay. What is that? It's rice. Rice. You want to cook? You want to help? Thank you. I can't do that. You see my nails, I can't cook. I don't know how to cook. I'll stay here and wait for my brother. Brenda. Yes? Can you help me with pushing the dishes? Me? Let me just assume that you're joking, right? I can't clean. Hey, you can't. See, I told you yesterday I don't touch waters. You can't help me. The only time I touch water when I'm bathing or when I'm drinking. I don't. What are you doing here? You mean I'm your guest? A guest? I'm still a guest. Can't you see I'm doing my makeup because I want to shoot something? I want to post a picture. In case you forget, this is your brother's house. This is my brother's house. You can't just order me around. Because this is my house. My brother's house is my house. Let me just assume that you're not talking to me. Lily. Eh? I'm hungry. Hungry? So cook. Do you want me to cook? This time. Look, I'm not your maid, okay? You know, I can call my mom and tell that you are not giving me food. I will tell my mom that I'm starving in my brother's house. So you better give me something to eat. Call her. I don't know where my brother got this one. Everyone is so complaining about everything.
You said my name like you meant it, like forever was in your tone. But the way you walked out quietly left my heart to learn alone.
Ma, I think
like forever was in your tone. But the way you walked out quietly left my heart to learn alone. We were fire in small moments. We were soft in the dark. But some promises sound better than the way they really start. Love no